Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how to change your forwarding number. First, log into your Vumber app. Next, you are going to want to hit the hamburger menu in the top left of the screen. From here, we are going to select My Numbers. From our list of Vumbers, we are going to hit Configure beside the one that we want to change the forwarding settings for. From here, we are going to choose Call Forwarding. We are then going to open up the drop-down menu for the Forwarding Number tab. You will notice we have three options to choose where we want this Vumber to be forwarded to. We can add a new number, have the calls go straight to the Vumber app, or have them go to the web phone. In this case, we're going to add our own number. So I'm going to select Add New Number. I will then key in my phone number in the appropriate space, and notice we have an option to give this number a nickname to help you recognize where you are redirecting your calls for this specific number. So I am going to call this Personal. You also have the option, if you want, to set the seconds to ring time before the call goes to your voicemail. I am just going to leave it at the default 25 seconds in this instance and hit Save. Once the number has been added, there is still one final step. Notice that it states only the first number listed below will ring when someone calls your Vumber number. This means when someone rings this particular Vumber number, it will be automatically forwarded to the number showing at the top of this list. To change this to your desired forwarding number, simply hold the number you want and slide it to the top, and that's it. Remember that when customers call your Vumber number and you have call forwarding on, they will not be aware that they have been redirected to another number. If you are experiencing any issues, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.